Hello everyone, this is Anil Kumar and today I am so much glad that today finally I have got time for you all and today I wanna make a video for you all. So my dear friends and my dear viewers, the topic is that how can English be so easy for you? How can English be so easy for you? Like how can you make English so easy for you? And what do you have to do? Which type of activities you have to do? Okay. So guys, keep watching this video till the end and I will tell you so many things. Okay. So never skip. If you skip, then you can miss some important points. So keep watching this video and I am going to tell you. My dear friends, I wanna tell you that if you think that English would be very easy for me and it will be so easy and I can talk with anybody, I can think in English, I can communicate in English, I can write in English, I can speak in English. So how can it be so? Okay. So for becoming a great English speaker and if you want to make English so easy for you, so you have to do something. Okay. And what you have to do? You have to do self study and practical study. You have to do two things. First one is self study and other thing is practical study. For English language, you have to do more and more practical study. You know that if you do practical study, so it will automatic become so easy for you. It can become so easy for you. And that time you cannot realize how much it is easy for me. You will think that, oh my God, how did I learn English? I didn't do so much hard work and it became so easy for me. But it never becomes so easy for anyone without doing hard work, without practice. Because it is that thing, it takes time, it takes hard work, it takes dedication. So if you also give time, if you also give your hard work, your dedication, so definitely you can become perfect English speaker and you can become a good English speaker. And that time you will never realize, you will never think that English is hard for me. You will say that, oh my God, English is nothing. I can speak English, I can talk with anybody. It's so easy for you. So what you have to do, I'm going to tell you. Okay, listen. Firstly, when you talk about practical study, so practical study, what should be in practical study for English? So for English it would be like that, whenever you are going to make English sentences, so you don't need to write those sentences on notebook. Okay, you don't need to write those sentences on notebook. You have to speak those sentences more and more. Okay, if you speak those sentences more and more, so that time you will improve so many things. You will also remove your hesitation and you will become so confident and you will also improve your like sentence power, words power and pronunciation and other things. So many things you will improve. Okay, and after that, if you have any partner, if you have your friend, or so that time you can go there and you can speak about any topic. You can choose one topic and you can try to describe, you can try to explain in so many words, in so many sentences. You have to speak more and more. So if you speak more and more, so like words power level and sentence power level, it will increase. Because if you try, so we think to speak more and more, we try to bring some words, some sentences, we think. So when we think, so sometimes we can remember and we can use those sentences while speaking, while talking to anyone. But if you don't think, if you don't practice, if you are not trying to speak about any topic, so how can you get so many ideas, so many sentences, so many words? You can never get. Okay, the people who are not thinking, the people who are not ready to do something, so how can he do? Thinking is not solution for anything. If you are thinking and you are thinking that I can speak English, I can learn English, so it can never be so. Okay, so like this, you have to do practical study. Make sentences with your friends, choose a topic, do debate, do group discussion in your family, with your friends, anywhere. If you are going in the field, if you are going to market, so that time on the way, make conversation with your friend. Talk to your friends in English. If you are going to a school, so say to your friend, now we can start conversation and let's talk in English, and we can go to a school. Okay, you are doing any work, no problem, keep speaking English. If you are also present in your home, at your home, so just talk in English, just speak in English, do practice. Make everything's related to English. Like if you are using mobile, so use your mobile for English purpose. Use your mobile for English purpose, for learning English. In your mobile you can subscribe, there are so many English channel, you can watch so many English conversation video, you can go there, you can watch group discussion video, debate video, and there you can improve. So many videos are there, just go on YouTube and search. You can also watch some English videos and you can make conversation. You know guys, when I was learning English, so that time I used my mobile so much for English language, and today still I also use my mobile only for English language. Not only for English language, but you can say for 80% or 70% I use my mobile for English language. 30%, 20% for call and for doing something. So you can also make this type of habit in your life. When you will make a schedule, like every day you have to speak 30 minutes about any topic, whether you are speaking right or wrong, no problem. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep writing. You know, when you will speak, when you will speak in front of your parents, in front of your friends, in front of anybody, so whether that person is educated or not, whether that person uh, he knows English or not, no problem. But the main reason is that when you make mistake, when you are speaking, so that time you will think, you will realize, oh, I am speaking wrong, so I don't need to speak wrong, I need to correct it, I need to speak right words, right sentence. So how can I speak? So that time you will find their spelling, you will find their meaning. But when you are not speaking, when you are not thinking, when you are not realizing, when you are not caring, so how can you become? So it is said that without doing something special, you cannot be a special, you cannot be best person in your life. So if you want to become a unique person, if you want to become a special person, so you will have to give all your special time for that work. So you can become, you can get. Okay, so my dear friends, I hope you all have gotten so many points and so many things. So now I'm going to stop this video, and I will meet very soon in next video. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.